Hello everyone, this is Alejandra and I'm filming another quick and easy video. This time I'm going to be featuring two stamp sets. This one is called Handwritten as the background and then Abstract Impressions. And so I wanted to showcase two of the ink colors that we have now. One is Blueberry Bushel and the other one is called Pineapple Punch. So anyways, I wanted to showcase those two. And also, I gotta say, call me Clover, I should say, because that's another ink color. Now, for this one, I'm also gonna be using the Granny Apple Green, which I'm very excited about. This is stamping pad, because I love this color. So anyway, we'll see how that goes. This is the first time I'm using these colors. My card base is Blueberry Bushel, and it's 5.5 by 8.5 as usual. I'm gonna fold it in half, and then I'm gonna be stamping the background right away. Now for this, I'm gonna use a scrap of paper. And what I typically do is, well, let me just show you. So this one is one of those that you open. This is the first time I'm using it, so it's kind of tight. But anyway, you just put it and then push it all the way through. And you're going to ink the whole thing. Okay. I'll just put it here for a second. Then we're going to be adding our cards. So how would this open? Like so. Okay, and I think I have it. Yes. So there we go. So now it's all right. And I'm gonna go ahead and put this one here. And I always put a piece of paper so that I can rub it. That way I have like an equal pressure on it, and we'll see how this one goes. Okay, so remove this paper. Whew. And voila. So here it is. Oh, goodness gracious. So I like how it looks. It just gives you like if you had a design series paper right there. I also have the ink color design series paper, and this one is called, let me see, 2018-2020 ink colors, but this time they are 6x6, and you can see all the different colors here. You get two designs on each of the papers, of the colors I should say, the two designs. And so I went ahead and did this one and pick this one. So this one is, I believe it's 1.5, yes, 1.5 by 5.5, and this will go like so. But I wanted to have a little bit of the white here so that it pop up a little bit more. So let's just put adhesive, and this one I'm just gonna go ahead and line it up, because I just want a little strip of the white. I don't want too much. And then I'm going to be cutting the excess. There we go. And now I'm going to be putting the whole thing here. And it will go like so. Now, I can see that I still have a little bit of this going out, so I'm just going to cut it. There we go. Now, I have already cut a piece of Whisper White, and this one is a square of 2 1/4 by 2 1/4. And then I've cut one of the layering squares that will fit that size. Okay, so let me bring the foam pad, because the next stamp, the few next stamps are photopolymer. And as I've said in the past, it's best if you use your foam mat. So now for this section, I'm going to go ahead and put, let me just close this one. Let me just see. I'm not so sure yet which color I'm going to go with. I think I'm going to go with this one and the crushed curry. We'll see. Yes. Okay. So let's just start with the grass. So again, you're gonna open it up and then push it up, and then out of these, there's one, oh my goodness, that has like a larger image, if you see that, right? So I'm gonna be using this one on the lighter color, which is the what was the color? Granny apple green. And we're going to be stamping it here. Okay. And then I'm going to go back with the Call Me Clover. And again, you're going to open it and then hold it, close it. And we're going to go ahead and do it like so. Okay, and you can see I have like a darker shade, and this one is Call Me Clover. And then let's just go ahead and use the Pineapple Punch, and we're gonna use the fuller image, and I feel like they should go like so. All right, and using the crushed curry, we're gonna go ahead and let me just put it a little bit below so that I can see better. And I don't know that you can see it, but I just line it up, and let's just see. There we go. I could have done a little bit better, but I think it's fine. I'm sure it will be okay. So now for this, I'm going to go ahead and put it like so, and then put it here. Now, the beauty of this card is that inside, I have all these sentiments. So at the time when I am sending this card, I can pick up whatever I want to put on this card, because I already have a lot of words here in my front that I thought I didn't want to put another sentiment right there. But in the inside, I can pick whatever I want. So this is like an all occasion type of card, and I love that a lot. So let's just go ahead and put this. And then, of course, we're going to be using dimensionals for this. You know me by now. And let's just go ahead and put this. Super easy, super quick. As always, if you like this video, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. And also, don't forget about my ordering incentive. So if you place an online order, here it is. You get the card kit in the month, or the monthly card kit, I should say, which is to make 4 cards. I'll send you everything, cut and die and bows, whatever it is, design series paper, any type of embellishments. I'll send it. The only thing that I cannot provide is the stamping, so you'll have to do that, but you can always substitute with whatever you have on hand. And also, if your order is $50 or more, you also get the embellishment of the month. which could be a twine, a ribbon, a faceted gem. So it could be any of those type of things. And I'll usually send them the following month after you place the order, because this is a monthly incentive. So anyway, you do have to use the hostess code, and the hostess code is on my blog in every single post, and that's creatingwithali.com. I'll also put a link to my blog on this video, and I'll put a link of all the products that I've used tonight on these cards so that you can recreate. So you can just click on those links. They're also going to be on my blog, and they will take you to my online store so that you can get them. So anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate all your support, and I'll see you soon. Bye.